Today we are going to use a beautiful and ripe melon to prepare a sorbet that could be a fresh dessert for your summer. To prepare a sorbet for 6 people, you need 1 melon, 2.5 pounds, half a pound of caster sugar, 2 ounces of glucose, the juice of half lemon, and the traditional balsamic vinegar of Modena, 12 years old. We start cutting the melon. First, we cut off the edge. Then we cut the melon in half. Clean the inside with a spoon. And then we cut the slices. When you peel the melon, be careful of your finger. Now we put the melon roughly chopped into a food processor. Before blending the melon, we have to prepare the sugar syrup. To prepare the syrup, we need half a pound of sugar, 3 ounces of water, and 2 ounces of glucose. In a pot, we put the sugar and the water, and we bring it to 250 Fahrenheit degree. When the temperature is at 250 degrees, we add the glucose. While the syrup is cooling down, we can blend the melon into a puree. Now we can add the syrup and the lemon juice to the melon and blend for a few seconds more. This is a professional ice cream machine. Of course, a domestic one would be perfect. If you don't have any, you can put the mixture in a bowl, put it in the freezer for 10 minutes, take it out, whip it, put it back in the freezer for 10 minutes, take it out and whip it, and repeat it until it's dense enough. Now the sorbet is ready to be served. With an ice cream scoop, we put the 2 balls in a glass. Finish with the traditional balsamic vinegar of Modena. And this is our melon sorbet.